Dear parents and student, I take this opportunity to welcome you to DPS Sagar. First of all, I would like to thank you for selecting DPS Sagar. Children at DPS Sagars are getting holistic exposure. When we are talking about holistic exposure, it must include scholastic improvement, co-scholastic improvement, both. Nowadays, if the life if in life you want to get success, you must be very good in all the areas, and these areas must be trained at school itself. At DPS Sagar, we always keep in our mind that student would not get only education through books but from the real life too, and that's why we include this education through integrated category of learning. When we talk about integrated category, so we used to see that all subject must be integrated in one project, and even CBSE has given the structure of integrated learning. So here this year also we are including ecobricks concept to save environment, and through that also we will teach them the complete education inclusive of all the subjects they are learning in the classroom. So how amazing it will be that in the classroom whatever theory they are learning, and then the practically they are seeing the exposure to these all features. So, dear parents, this is what I am at DPS. We are at DPS doing all. At DPS, we are having some features which I would like to tell you here. And basically, these are the unique features. See, in almost all the schools, for the namesake, everything is happening. But why for namesake it should be happened? It should be real practical learning. At DPS, when we are celebrating some kind of day, for example, a World Environment Day, for example, Father's Day, for example, Mother's Day, are we just displaying the posters, sending them the wishes? That's all. Is it our responsibility only? Is it only the responsibility? No. We need to inculcate the moral values, ethics into the children, and therefore we used to give them through every event the learning, how to participate, what to do throughout the year, how to inculcate that learning. For example, I am giving you now the just I told you that eco brick concept. This year we have included eco brick concept for art integrated learning project. Through this project, what the student will be doing, we would be telling the student that make the eco brick and be the ecosystem warrior. Now what is ecosystem warrior? The student would be collecting the waste material of plastic. It may be plastic bottle, and it may be plastic wrappers, or it may be plastic bags. This will be collected by the student at home, and it would be put up into the bottle to make the brick. These bricks will be collected by the school, and for that particular process we would be assessing the student so that multiple assessment will be done. And later on, once the maximum number of bricks will be given by the student, those student will be given the prize of ecosystem warrior, and that is how they will learn how to save the environment. Because see, everywhere we are having the plastic use, we cannot reduce that, but these bricks whichever they have prepared will be utilized, and those utilization will be seen by them. So the student will see in real life how the environment is saved. From that environment saving process, how they earn the money, and how they utilize that waste material into the best practice. This is what the real life learning, and this is how at DPS Sagar your children would be getting. Dear parents, thank you for selecting DPS Sagar for your children, And anytime whenever you would be getting any, you will require any kind of help from our side, you be open, and I am very much open for approach. You can approach me anytime with any difficulties, and your problem will be solved always here at DPS Saga. At DPS Saga, we would be focusing on parents counseling also, student counseling also, and career counseling also. So hope to see you in coming time again, and always we are open to help you and support you for the better future holistic learning of your children. Thank you all. Thank you for nice listening and patient listening. All the best, and we would be making wonders for your children at DPS Sagar. Thank you.